So this is us in our Christmas gear. Tried to, wind the ribbon out and make these curls. We should put our Christmas carols on the TV. Already have big plans for next year. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it is the most beautiful time of the year, especially if your year is being 2020. But nonetheless, I am super excited for this video because today is the day that our Christmas tree is finally going up, and I am totally in the spirit. I've gotten my Christmas sweater out. This is honestly the sweater that I wore last year for Christmas, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wear this today to get into the whole festive Christmassy mood. I have my furry pajamas, I have my Christmas mugs out. If you're following me on Instagram, you know I got them out on like the 1st of December, and this is something that I really look forward to doing, all these amazing Christmassy traditions, so to speak. But today's video is going to be predominantly about putting together our tree. Anish is going to be joining me really soon, and we will be putting up our tree. We have the tree, we have all the baubles and everything in place. So that is going to be the first video in this series, and I'm going to follow it up with like a bunch of fun DIYs. So long story short, there's going to be a bunch of videos that are lined up after this, and they're all going to be in the festive spirit. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get straight into this video. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get started. So this is us in our Christmas gear. We have like our Christmas sweaters on and fluffy pajamas to match the whole Christmassy mood, and we are all ready to put up our tree.
Yes, which will go in that corner.
Which means that we need to actually move around a lot of stuff. Yeah, we'll get the swing here and actually wing it because we're not sure. There's a bunch of things here also.
Swing it.
Good one. So yeah, we are going to swing it and get our tree up. And what you are not ready for is the tree. What's the height of our tree?
It's me and you put together.
It is huge. Our tree is it 8 or 10? 10 feet tall.
It's a 10 feet tall tree, and it almost hits the roof. No, it does hit the roof.
It does hit the ceiling.
Yeah,
So which
ceiling.
means that we are never able to, never means this is our second Christmas.
Yeah.
But yeah, so last year we did put up this tree, but it was like we barely moved in and we did it in a hurry. So this time we are going to be more indulgent and spend more time doing it up. So really excited. Oh, we should put up Christmas carols on the TV. Let's set the mood. I don't know if I can play them because I'll get like a copyright strike perhaps, but we shall play it.
Half hours. So I think we should aim to finish it by this.
I think 3.5 hours is too long, yeah? Yeah, I think.
Or 2.5.
2.5, I think. But you never know, the tree is...
Yeah, the tree is massive, and
Tree is
hoping those
massive.
leaves take a
Yeah,
long
I think that is the time consuming part, not the decor so much.
Yeah.
And I will tell you what we are planning to do with the decor. Want to try something different this year. And yeah, so let's get started. Play the Christmas carols. One house open sleigh. Whoa. By the way guys, we washed this macrame curtain and look at it. It just shrunk. It looks so funny right now. I need to like figure out what to do. It looks so odd, but I love it so much that I don't want to get rid of it, and I really like think that it works here. But if you have any ideas on what I could do, I was possibly thinking of adding, some macrame cords on the end with some beads to, just lengthen it up. But for now it looks really funny. But anyways, this area is all empty now, which means
It's time to swing it.
you need help.
Yeah, I think so.
Just remove the swing na upar se. Yeah, in fact I think I want to create like a really cute and cozy corner here instead of putting a plant. It should be like more winter themed, but that's for another video.
like 2 times caviar. So but it's easy to store it because it comes in 3 parts basically. So we just have to take it and assemble it one by one, and we're going to do just that right now. What's the time?
I don't know. You're so mean.
Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within, 'cause Christmas time is here.
This is what literally like hits the ceiling. I'm not even kidding, you'll see it. Like this hits the ceiling and we can't put a topper on it, like the final star, because there's no space.
Children playing in the snow, a merry game they play, chasing each other.
So the tree is finally up, but we need to literally like manually open up every single of the branches so that it looks like all fluffed up and nice. Right now it looks like really sparse, so we need to like open it up, which is actually quite a time consuming process and laborious one. So I think I'll take the bottom half and you can do like the top half.
I don't think I have a choice.
True story. Let's start from the bottom.
Has gone. It actually was on a Christmas day.
Basically we had to manually like open up every stem, and yeah, it looks so good right now. So the tree is finally fluffed up and it looks great, and it's time to do up the decor. In terms of the decor, I really wanted to do like a very theme based tree, but then we decided that we already have like a lot of baubles and decor which we used last year, but we will stick to the same color palette, which is red,
Gold,
silver and a little bit of green.
White.
White, yeah. So I really wanted to do like an all white and gold kind of a tree, but I think I'll save that for next year. So it's gonna be like
I
a
think we should snow paint
this year,
next year.
next year, yeah.
All white.
Yeah. So we already have big plans for next year. We got some ribbon and I really wanted to do like a ribbon decor. So we have like gold and red, and I think we'll experiment with a couple of like weaving techniques or something. I don't know, like how we want to do it. And I think that's going to make it look really different, hopefully. By the way guys, check this out. This is what I gifted Anish. Not like gifted, but I got for him last year because he is addicted to Coke. And yeah, like how adorbs is this? Like I think I really want to get like some cute personalized stuff like this which defines our personality. Maybe DIY some stuff. I couldn't find anything this time. Like I went like 2 weeks ago, but I don't think the stuff was in here. But I think this is cute.
Addicted to Coke.
You are addicted to Coke. Baubles that we have, there's a lot of like gold stuff happening, some red and silver, and of course white. I love white so much. I think I'm definitely going to be doing like a lot of white next year. And then some pine cones, and yeah, I find these so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. Thank god we didn't keep it anywhere else, but yeah. We just took a little break to have our dinner, and there's been a slight change in plans, actually major change in plans. So I was thinking about this and we both thought that let's do something different, and we have decided to not use any red ornaments on our tree. And it feels really weird because red is the first color that you associate with Christmas somehow, but we really feel like doing something different and we thought about it a lot. And finally what we decided is to do this really nice neutral monotone metallic rose gold kind of a tree. I know it sounds ridiculous right now, but we tried like a little samples here and there and it was looking so beautiful. It was looking really pretty and classic, and not classic, classy. So different and so minimal yet so stylish. and I think I really want to do that, because as you guys will see in the upcoming videos, I have also picked out a lot of new stuff for the living room, which is really like classy and cozy and very neutral palette. So I think this will do real good justice to it. So fingers crossed. I am a little nervous because this is very different from what is traditionally done to a Christmas tree. So I picked out this ribbon. Actually had it, but I picked it up a while ago. So this is like a neutral flat colored rose gold ribbon, and I also have, so pretty, it's like this rose gold starry kind of a situation. So I made this little thing, and I think it was looking really nice when we just added it like this into the tree. And we also tried this, okay, like we tried to, you know, wind the ribbon out and make these curls, and I just DIY'd this little hook kind of a situation so that we can just loop it like this on the tree. And yeah, it looks really nice. I know in isolation it doesn't make sense, but trust me, I think that when it all comes together, it looks really nice. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. But I think we need to make a bunch of these before, like this one was the first one, so we're going to just sit and make a couple of these more so that we have them handy, and then move on with this I'm keeping on hold right now. I don't know if we need both, so we'll make some of these and then see if we need this, then we'll make this later. That's the plan right now, guys. No red. There's gonna be like a monotone Christmas tree. That's the first.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
So it's finally time to put on everything that we've made quite a bunch of these rose gold ribbon things. Like I've looped them around like this, so it's going to be super easy to put them on. But otherwise we're good to go. So I'm going to start with the starry ribbon and try the weaving technique, and hopefully that works just fine.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Guys, it's halfway done. Not really halfway done, but it's looking so pretty, and the theme is coming together so well that I don't even miss the reds. Do you miss the reds?
I don't actually. It looks pretty.
It looks so nice, yeah. And that I know that when the rest of the decor is done, like the new cushion covers and everything comes in here, it's gonna look amazing. So I'm kind of happy that we decided to do this.
I think we should start putting the ribbons.
Ribbons, yeah, let's try that. Put this. Put the long ones in a place where I know. DIY. And this is amazing as a filler too, because like our tree is huge and wide, but it's not very dense. Like it has a lot of space inside, and yeah, this is so cost effective too, because the ribbon was so inexpensive and we've made so many of these and there's still so much ribbon left. So this is like, I don't think we spent at all, right, this year.
Yeah.
We just like bought these ribbons and I think that's it. Like we didn't spend at all. So you don't really need to spend too much to redo your Christmas tree and make it look very different. You don't always have to spend a lot. Like you can just spend smart.
Tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
look at this. Got like 3 of them.
Like adorable.
Yeah, they're adorable. And just like a real puppy, they also shed hair. It's your joke. Where you wanna put this? Guys, it's time for the topper. Our star won't fit.
All done.
It's all done. It looks amazing. I'll show you guys.
Obviously, I can't reach it.
Yeah, so. Woohoo! Okay.
Done.
Yeah, done. And the final touch. I know we said no red, but I think a traditional stocking is a must. So just gonna hang this right here. So cute! But I love how the tree looks. It looks so pretty. Love how this has turned out.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas.
Our fairy lights will reach us tomorrow or day after, and then we'll add that in, and that's just gonna bind it all together. That's like really pretty warm yellow lights and like the sparkly twinkly ones. So Anisha, what do you think? Do you like this?
I think it looks damn pretty.
Yeah, it looks so classy.
I don't think I'm missing the red too much.
Neither am I. In fact, it's not looking like we are missing out on
Yeah,
anything. I
yeah.
really thought that maybe it'll look like it's lacking something. It doesn't look like it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a wrap on this video. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. There's so many festive videos coming up, guys. You know how much I love this time of the year, and I know that there's going to be a lot of like unexpected vlogs and a lot of like Christmas traditions. So we have our family, like our siblings, flying in for Christmas, and I'm so excited. So there's going to be like a lot of pictures on Instagram with this tree. Actually, you know what? We've decided that we are not removing this tree until January.
Mid-Jan, yeah.
Mid-Jan. It's clearly not going anywhere because too much work has gone into it. And a 10-foot tree. 10
And I think
feet tree.
we are like 1 week late.
We are 1 week late. It should have gone up like a week ago because Anisha was lazy. So they can't even see the expressions and the eye roll. So yeah, that's a wrap on this video. See you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you subscribe and all the good stuff. See you guys, bye. You should turn the vlog camera and say bye. Turn the camera and say bye.